Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to smoothly zoom in and zoom out while recording video in iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly just open the camera application. Now just select the video. Now say let us try to record something. So let me try to record. So we have started recording as you can see here. So now in order to zoom in and zoom out, what you need to do, you can see here 1x return 0.5, that is the standard camera and ultra wide. Just swipe it up. So you can see here, you can see a circular circuit scale like appearing. So you can see, zoom in and zoom out. So now once your recording is done, just click on this stop recording. Now let us check the recorded video. So you can see. So by using this method, you can easily zoom in and zoom out while recording video in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.